TR3YWAY. Real track stars. Hey, nigga be back sooner than soon, though. Gang is probably training. Nigga be back real soon. We still gonna be chasing niggas, tell them tighten up their shoelaces. I'm hoping, give me all that blue faces. Fuck you talking about? VM gang. Or ACG. Nigga not even on cap. I'm not even gonna like tell no stories or lie or nothing, fool. Niggas would not be doing nothing. A young nigga was out, I'm younger than all them niggas. Ain't nothing to come in with the I fuck around, get the face here with the long hair and over like real when you see cuz for sure. Damn homies real when you see cuz. AC, you hear me? Real when you see cuz like real homies, cuz ain't playing no game. Firm out. Y'all see me? Getting there. I don't work out nothing no more. I ain't gonna care if I was. I'm like a fat nigga right now. Yeah, homie. Huh? I said like 130 right now. 130 views? Several of them. That extra out face shit, all them squabbles and shit niggas talking about. We not doing no squabbles. Set. I'll probably beat you up before I shoot you. Yeah, don't be. Like I did y'all. But it is 8:34. I know, cuz nigga got fat. Putting on some weight. Dead on me so I could really beat niggas up. All on camera. Oh, I told you. I'm fat. Free buzz.
That was TR3YWAY 6K pretty much calling out for extras, saying the Rolling 40s would not be on Vernon if he was out there. He was pretty much trying to say how he's in jail for popping somebody from the Vernon area, the 40s Crip area. Now, 4Extras was quick to respond. And of course, this is his response, responding to TR3YWAY.
Music, you get what I'm saying? But you gotta think about this. Everybody trying to get likes, you get what I'm saying?
And that we wouldn't have been able to film that video on Vermont if he was still free.
First off, I don't know who the little guy is, but check this out to the little guy, man. That little nigga. You know, we a million deep nigga on Vermont, Vernon, Chris on the thing every day before the video came out or before it started. I don't know who the little guy is, but that's another one. Everybody trying to go viral, bro. You get what I'm saying? And fed to Chris shows us, the whole Vernon. You didn't see that guy over there making no videos. Tell that nigga get out of jail nigga, and walk his ass over here. You know what? I'm gonna let him figure that out.
Oh, Lord.
Hey, and don't troll me, nigga. I ain't got time for you to troll me either, nigga.
Is that how you feel? Like a lot of people was just trolling you?
They're
not serious?
You know what I'm saying?
Just trying to get reaction?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But matter of fact, just go ahead and click on those jumpers and run my pockets up.
Off the back.
Off the back.
Like a Koopa Troopa.
Like a...